Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to go over how to use this screw remover to remove a strip screw. I thought to make this video because I've been frustrated in the past on how to use this correctly, and seems like hit and miss. So I finally figured out the right way to do this. So the first one is that make sure you pick the right size for the screw. So this is number 8. This screw is badly damaged. Don't know if you can see that. So number 8. Then I use the second one here. The second one is important is that you use the order which bit you use it first. So first you need to use this tip here, and to basically create a smooth surface for the second tip to grab onto later on. So you put it in, tighten them up, put on reverse, and also I find it useful to do it slowly, because if I do it too fast for a long time, it will heat up the screw head and then it will just pop. So and you cannot get a feel when things are smooth out. So I'm gonna keep doing it for a little while. Make sure I have a smooth surface. So I don't know if you can see that. So that should be what it looks like, clean and smooth. And then I flip the bit. Use this one. And put on reverse, press it, and you can see that it's easily came off. The screw came off. It just gets stuck there. There you go, easy peasy. Thank you for watching.